Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Uphold Crypto Exchange app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uphold application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the login button. Now within this page, you will see the forgot password option. Just tap on this button and you will be asked to enter the email address that is associated with your account. Type in the email address within the given box and then tap on send email. You will then be told to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email or click on the link within. So check your inbox and enter the 6-digit code or click on the given link, and you will then be allowed to create your new password. Type in your desired new password for your account and then proceed forward, and your password will successfully be reset. After this, you can use your newly reset password along with your original email address to log into your account once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Uphold Crypto Exchange app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.